12 shot, 500 gram candy. Trick or treat, motherfucker. Yes. This one should be good. God damn, that's some good candy. Trick or treat.